Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're having another video, and the title is Muhammad Tarek Hassan. But before anything else, if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit likes, and click the bell so that you will notify on my next upload. So let's jump into the video. I'm excited for this. Here we go.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hayya 'ala as-salah. Hayya 'ala as-salah. حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح. الله أكبر، الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله.
Allah, Allah, Allah.
Okay guys, that was beautiful. Everybody is listening, so there you go guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Be safe, stay at home, everything will be okay. See you guys on my next upload. Bye everybody.